section.
So here we have the Here we have the back side of the bustier. This is the bustier and the fabric cut, and we have the main fabric and the cloth and the lining here. So we are just going to go straight. We are going to the joining of bustier. So
Thank you for changing.
So fabric to fabric first, then we have the lining to the lining afterwards. So we're going to join them separately first. You can place them this way so that you won't make a mistake of joining. Don't forget that it's going to be ½ inch that you took away that you're going to bring back. Now we have it ironed, and the next thing we want to do now is to make sure this line, the line at the back of our cloth, is meeting the one in the front, like the main cloth. So just to save us the stress when we want to sew, we are just going to pin it down. Okay, make sure the line is hitting each other this way, then we're going to pin it down. Okay, so we'll do the same thing here. Okay, But before we move ahead this way, we are either going to iron it down like real good, or we make a top stitch on it, just like I am going to do now. On the lining, please, not on the cloth. So doing this does not mean that we will still not iron, but in case there is no light, we can still manage it that way. Like, we can leave it that way and not bother ironing it. But with this, we are good to go this way. So the next thing we want to do now is to turn our back as well. It's because I notched it, that's why this is slipping. If you do not notch it, it won't slip this way. So we have our back to work on now. And to complete the clothes, the zip will have to go through the other side, so we are not going to now. We leave the zip allowance and through until, so can we see the way it actually went, like the back side, because it's in half coat, so please don't forget to iron the upper parts. And now we have our bustier. This is exactly what we call the bustier. The way it is, the under bust tightening and the shaping out this way is what we call the bustier. So please do iron this side and let me see how your practice goes. Thank you very much.